Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I do in the mornings when I only have 10 minutes or 15 minutes to get ready and I want to beat my face. So of course you gotta moisturize your lips. Always moisturize before you put your makeup on, okay? This is an e.l.f. BB cream. I got it from Target, really cheap, maybe like $2-3, but it's a staple of mine. I love e.l.f. products actually. And I was really surprised about the quality of them. Okay, next we're gonna go straight into eyebrows. What I like to do is I like to underline under my eyebrows and on top to create a good outline. Then I go ahead and fill them in using very light brushing strokes. I brush them up just to make them look natural. I really don't like thick eyebrows, so I pretty much make this really quick. Next, we have our concealer. This is Cover FX concealer. One of my favorite concealers actually is NARS, but I lost it. Had no idea where it was and found it right after this video. So yeah, going to go ahead and use this Cover FX. I'm fast forwarding because you guys already know what the deal is. Next, we have our Naked Heat palette, one of my favorite palettes. I only use 2 colors pretty much out of this whole palette on a daily basis. And I'll put that in the description box. But this is definitely one of my favorite palettes because the undertones and colors are brilliant. They look great on my skin. I love red and orange. Okay, we're moving straight into Smashbox. I use a powder right under my eyes and around my mouth just to set my concealer. I love bronzer, as you can see. I just swirl it on in. I start at my hairline and then go on around my forehead. Obviously this is in super speed. This is like 400 times the actual speed that I do it. So just for the purposes of this video, yeah. So swirling it in. I wish I had blended better, but that's okay. I was getting ready to go to work. Now I have my highlighter, highlighting on top of my bronzer. And one of my favorite things to do is bronze, highlight, and blush. And you will see this right after. Highlighting my nose. And I had to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Of course, it makes you look hot. Now we're doing blush. Blush, blush, blush. Smile. Kiss. Smile, kiss. Okay. Blushing it up. You know it. Blush, blush, blush. Telescopic mascara. I think it's the L'Oreal telescopic mascara. I'll put it down. But love this. The mascara brush is super small, so I can get my lower lashes. Now, Buxom. Yes, Buxom lip gloss, the best. If you haven't tried it, you're asleep. Don't know where you at. But I was hesitant at first because it's so expensive. It's like $20, but it actually is worth it. It's the only lip gloss I've ever used actually all the way and had to rebuy. I've only repurchased Buxom lip gloss. So this is their lip liner. I love the lip liner. Very natural. Very smooth. And then I go ahead and with my favorite Moscow Mule Buxom lip gloss, lip plumper. And make sure you wipe the corners of your mouth so you work it. Make sure you look good. And we're done.